weekend in Las Vegas, Nevada at the FOREO headquarters, and I'm excited because I get to kind of work with you, which Brittany is a new hire at FOREO, and she is going to give me her lowdown on what kind of workout she does when she's on the road, because I know I'm on the road all the time and I have my struggles. So what are some of the struggles that you have?
My biggest struggle is, well, I travel a lot for work now, and I'm very limited on time and space. As we all know, hotel gyms really aren't the best.
And the timing, sometimes they close at like 8 o'clock. So I love ones that are open 24 hours, but that's not usually the case.
It's really hard to find one that's like 24 hours.
And my biggest problem is wanting to leave a place like this. Like, who wants to get out and do something when you can utilize it?
Exactly.
And we were talking about this earlier. We both have different Instagram fitness influencers / experts that we get inspired from.
Right.
You have picked yours for today.
Yes.
I have picked mine. I have a couple, but this one I'm really adamant about, and just gives me that pump, that inspired to like just get started and get your day going and really kick it.
Yeah, exactly. I can't wait to show you mine.
Ready? Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's do it.
So I cannot work out without good music.
Never.
So how are we gonna figure this one out? Who's gonna play what?
I got you.
You got it?
I got the perfect playlist.
You got it?
Yeah, I
Let's
got
see.
it.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Okay, let's do it. Go. Ready? Turn it up, up, up.